Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be creating a checkbox field. Checkbox is a simple way to kind of have a yes or no answer. You don't really have to type out yes or no, and you can use that as different filters on different reports. But let's go ahead and jump into it. We are going to do a checkbox on the opportunity object, and our use case is that we need to have a checkbox, something that says yes or no, to help us understand if a proposal has been sent to the customer. So from here, we are going to go to Setup. You can click the gear icon and either go Setup, or you can go to Edit Object. Because we're setting up a field on the opportunity object, I'm going to edit the object. It's a little bit faster, takes less clicks, saves you a little bit of time. All right, and from here, we're going to go to Fields and Relationships. Going to click New, and then go to Checkbox. Either scroll up or scroll down and click Next. Here, we're going to enter all the details. So let's say proposal, if I can spell, sent. And we're going to leave it unchecked. There's a field name. Each space should be an underscore. This helps the backend. Description is for the backend user. So let's say if you wanted other admins to know what this field was for. Help text is for the front end, and you'll see that on the opportunity page, and that's for the end user. We're going to leave those blank and click Next. All right, and here is where we set the field level security. You can just see what's visible to which user profiles and which ones read only to which user profiles. We're just going to leave it as is because this is a Trailhead org, and we're not working on field level security right now. This is where you add it to all the page layouts. It's not going to be in the right spot or how you really want it. It's just going to add it and it'll be there. If you want to change where it's at, you click page layouts after we've saved this field. But that should be it. We're going to click Save. All right, and so that one is added. Let's go ahead and refresh our opportunity just to make sure that the proposal sent checkbox field is there. All right, let's see. It is not there. So let's go ahead and refresh one more time. Sometimes it takes a little bit. All right, there we go. Here it is. This is our proposal set, and you can click this little inline editor, hit that, and save. Super simple, super easy. Thank you for joining me for this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. It really helps out my channel and helps me create more helpful videos like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.